Today we are going to be doing a value scale. The nice thing about this particular drawing is we're going to turn a two-dimensional shape into a three-dimensional shape just by using a single pencil going from dark to light, like a traditional value scale. First things first though, do draw a shape similar to this. Triangles are okay too, but for a cone to look three-dimensional, I do prefer more of a rounded bottom. Another thing I want to remind you is when you're holding your pencil, hold it further back in your hand, try and put it at more of an angle, like 45 degrees. That way, again, you put down more surface area. I'm going to go from one side to the other, darker, and as I work my way to the middle, I'm going to try and get lighter with each pass. First things first though, I'm going to try and go as dark as I can on the outside. I'm putting down some pretty solid pressure on this. And I'm going to put a little tiny bit of a curved edge on the very end. Okay, that looks pretty good. Again, we've got a lot of space to go, but a little bit of a curve at the bottom helps out. I'm going to go from one side to the other, back and forth. You could just do this one side straight across to the other. It's kind of up to you which way you like to do this. If it helps with your drawing and you want to turn the page 90 degrees, 180 degrees, whatever direction helps you is fine. Again, as long as your outcome is the same. The lines don't have to be perfectly straight, but you do want to kind of be as close width-wise on one side as the other. It looks like a couple centimeters on one side, and I gotta kind of go a little more on this side. Alright, so now I'm going to go lighter on my pressure. Not a lot, just enough so that I can see a change. And if it helps, you can go back over the lines you've already drawn. That way you make more of a nice change. You don't want to see a drastic, black to light gray. You want a few values in between. Pretty good. Again, come over to the other side. And again, this side still looks a little too much of a gray and then a black. So I'm trying to put in a little more value in between the two shades. There we go. Looks a little more even. Alright, and again, just back and forth. Each time you let up on the pressure. And if you need to, please go back over any spots that you feel like need to be lighter or darker and adjust accordingly. Now, as I get towards the center, I do need to leave a little bit of space to be completely empty. So when I get to the center here, I'm just gonna almost completely let up on the pressure on my pencil. So again, from one side to the other as you work your way towards the center. Let up on the pressure when you get closer to the center. Just kind of go back and forth, back and forth. And again, if you have any spots that you feel like need to be a little darker or a little lighter, go ahead. This is pretty good. I'm going to take a little bit of an eraser down the center, just so I have a little bit cleaner highlight going all the way through. Okay. And then I'm just going to round it off a little with my pencil. There we go. Alright, that way we have a little bit of a highlight cutting across the whole image. Alright. And again, take your pencil and erase any little random lines that came across during the process. Alright. So with just a basic value scale, we've gone from 2-dimensional to 3-dimensional.